Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account and credentials ready, because elevated rights are required. Once done, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. This begins the repair. If you immediately see access denied, take note of the exact message. That determines the next step. You're not just clicking, you're diagnosing. Make sure to run as admin when possible, since many Windows process and service controls are restricted without elevation. Now you'll repair system integrity and ensure required services run. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These fix corrupted files that cause permission failures. Next, open services. MSC and confirm services like Task Scheduler and Remote Procedure Call are running and set to automatic. If Task Manager is blocked by registry permission errors, take ownership of the specific registry keys, finish by rebooting to apply repairs, then reopen Task Manager to verify access. Many fixes require a restart. If your user profile is damaged, create a secondary administrator account and test there, because a new profile often bypasses corrupted local permissions. If Task Manager still denies access, boot into safe mode and try again. This isolates third-party software that may lock Task Manager. One key troubleshooting tip. Safe mode lets you remove or disable interfering programs without normal startup services blocking changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.